No, Ryan, all teams sold in this one. Got a big football mixer going on tonight. They're on eBay. I think they're just fixing to start. Or maybe sometime soon. Well, good luck, Wayne. He is a popular guy. He had a good break last night. Hopefully he'll have a good one for you tonight. All right, welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor. We got some select basketball hanger boxes on tap tonight. Been pulling some great cards out of here. Ready to do it again tonight. Appreciate y'all jumping on. Sorry about just getting some eBay messages returned. I got in the middle of that football break earlier, and my mouse quit working correctly, and so I've been trying to get it fixed. Looks like, well, my wife got it fixed, but it looks like I'm good to go, and I'm just now catching up, so I'm sorry about that. Anyhow, thank y'all again for being in the break. For the new people, let me tell you a little bit about how I do breaks. Everybody does it a little different. I show all cards. I call all players by name. I also call out the team they play for. All cards will ship. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and megastars will at least be sleeved up, if not top-loaded. And these cards will be heading your way tomorrow. Hopefully you'll have them early in the week. We've got 10 hanger boxes. Each one has 4 shimmers. Usually has a couple of more colored cards at the back. Chance to pull autographs and things like that. Would love to get a shiny courtside tonight, whether it be silver or shimmer or something. Definitely need to get Anthony Edwards and LaMelo Ball multiple times, I hope, along with all the other big names like Cole Anthony and Tyrese Halliburton, James Wiseman, LeBron. You know who I'm talking about. Pokachetsky for sure. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. 20 cards per pack. Chance for an ultra rare Tiger. Would sure love to see one of those. And here we go. Bojan Bogdanovic, Utah Jazz starts us off. Andre Drummond to the Lakers. Next up, and you know what? Third card in the break, and we already have LaMelo Ball. That's what I like to see when I'm breaking. Let's get the big time, big money players early so we can get them often. And the Hornets have their man. Did not pull a LaMelo last night in a big basketball mixer. We got him in card number 3 tonight. Here's Cameron Johnson's Suns. Mavericks pick up a Josh Green rookie. There's Gallinari to the Hawks. Colin Sexton to the Cavs. Eric Bledsoe Pelicans. Aaron Naismith rookie Boston Celtics. John Wall to the Rockets. Premier level Aaron Gordon Nuggets. Isaiah Stewart Detroit Pistons. There you go. Premier level rookie John Collins to the Hawks and the Shimmers. Wow, Detroit Pistons, you got you a premier level Isaiah Stewart and now a Concourse Shimmer rookie. Great start for the Pistons. Next up, DeAndre Ayton to the Suns. And what in the world do we have here? This one's a little different. I've got a sneaky suspicion it might be numbered because I don't think that's the traditional coloring of a shimmer. Most of them are red and then orange. This one is blue and then green. Lou Williams to the Hawks. Yes, it is, and it's only numbered out of 49. Number 9 out of 49. How about that? Atlanta Hawks. He is in a Clippers uniform, but it goes with the team listed. And I don't know if you can see it in that shimmer, but it says Hawks. Well, well, well. Pistons, you're back again with a Killian Hayes Premier Level shimmer. Next up is a Ja Morant Blue Shimmer Numbers Insert. Wow, what a box. Blue Prism, R.J. Hampton rookie to the Magic. And Blue Prism Premier Level Rui Hachimura, Washington Wizards. My goodness, a numbered to 49. A LaMelo, a Blue Prism R.J. Hampton. Ja Morant, Blue Shimmer Numbers Insert. And then it's all about the Pistons from there. Killian Hayes Premier Level, Isaiah Stewart Concourse Shimmers, and a Premier Level Isaiah Stewart. So, congratulations to the Hornets, Pistons, Hawks. Box number 2. Grizzlies had a good pack there. Now let's just get Anthony Edwards right here, and then we'll go to work. Fred VanVleet, Raptors. Peyton Pritchard, Celtics rookie. Draymond Green, Warriors. Trae Young to the Hawks. Emmanuel Quickley, rookie, New York Knicks. Porzingis to the Mavericks. Zion Williamson, Pelicans. I think that's kind of like I called it. Anthony Edwards, Timberwolves. Okay, here's Phoenix Suns Chris Paul, followed by Obi Toppin. He didn't want Emmanuel Quickley to be alone for the Knicks. Premier Level Porzingis Mavericks. Karis LeVert Pacers. Devin Booker Suns Shimmers. John Wall Rockets. Jaden McDaniels to the T-Wolves. Siakam to the Raptors. And Premier Level Shimmer Giannis, Milwaukee Bucks. How about that one? All right, here we got another numbers blue. It's Kyrie Irving, Brooklyn Nets. Blue Prism, Nurkic to the Trailblazers. And Premier Level Blue, Detroit Pistons. They're not ashamed to dominate this break early. Isaiah Stewart, Premier Level Blue. I don't know if we could have dialed up a better beginning to this break. Let's hope we just keep on pulling them. All right, Lou Williams to the Hawks again. This one's not numbered. Anthony Edwards again to the Timberwolves. Wow. Steven Adams, Pelicans. Kyrie Irving, Nets. Isaiah Joe, rookie to the Sixers. Steph Curry, Golden State. Luka Doncic, Mavericks. Tyrese Halliburton. This is getting crazy. Sacramento Kings rookies. VanVleet to the Raptors. Peyton Pritchard, rookie, Celtics. And the Premier Levels. Patrick Williams, Chicago Bulls rookie. Cam Reddish to the Hawks. And Kendrick Nunn, Miami Heat Shimmers. Jokic to the Nuggets. Derrick Rose, Knicks. Kira Lewis Jr., rookie to the Pelicans. And I believe we have a shimmer courtside. We do, and it's the Knicks. Wow, what a hit. Courtside, Obi Toppin Shimmer. Another blue numbers, Anthony Davis Lakers. Another blue De'Aaron Fox Kings, and another blue Premier Level Porzingis to the Dallas Mavericks. We are rolling. Still need Pokachetsky. We still need LeBron. No James Wiseman yet. No Cole Anthony. But we have Halliburton in the books and 2 Anthony Edwards. Well, might as well go ahead and call LaMelo in box 4 since we're just going to get a LaMelo or Edwards in every box tonight. And at the end of this box, we'll be, no, we won't be to even, we still won't be to the halfway point by then. Kyrie Irving Nets, Isaiah Joe rookie 76ers, Steph Curry Warriors, another, we got the same run as the last box, Luka Doncic, which means another Tyrese Halliburton Sacramento Van Vliet Raptors, Peyton Pritchard rookie Celtics, Draymond Green Warriors, Trae Young to the Hawks, and Ja Morant gold to the Memphis Grizzlies. Premier level, Jamal Murray Nuggets. Cassius Stanley, Pacers rookie. And Miles Turner to the Pacers. Shimmers, R.J. Hampton rookie, Orlando Magic. Jason Tatum to the Celtics. Kenyon Martin Jr. to the Rockets. That's a shimmer rookie. And premier level, Brook Lopez Bucks. Rookie selections, Aaron Naismith insert Celtics, and our first silver, and it's a premier level. This could be a big one if we can get a name. It's Alex Caruso Lakers. Our first green and purple, DeAndre Ayton to the Suns. So not quite the box we had got the first 3. But we did pick up another Halliburton. And now to box 5. This will be the halfway point. R.J. Barrett, New York Knicks, Saban Lee, Detroit Pistons rookie, Brandon Clark to the Grizz, Rui Hachimura Wizards, Jalen Smith rookie, Phoenix Suns, Donovan Mitchell, Jazz, Nurkic to the Trailblazers, Mitchell Robinson, Knicks, Killian Hayes, rookie, Detroit Pistons, Courtside, Jimmy Butler, Miami Heat, and Premier Levels, DeJounte Murray, Spurs, Killian Hayes, rookie to the Pistons, and Darius Bazley to the Thunder. Not a whole lot of rookies at the front of this pack. Let's hope the back half is full of them. Shimmer, Jason Tatum to the Celtics. Another Kenyon Martin Jr. Houston. Sabonis to the Pacers. And Premier Level Shimmer, Aaron Baines Raptors. Numbers rookie insert, Obi Toppin to the Knicks. Kevin Durant, blue numbers Shimmer to the Nets. Blue Prism Sabonis to the Pacers. And green and purple Kyle Lowry Raptors. Another pretty light box. Boxes 4 and 5 weren't nothing like 1, 2, and 3. But still can't complain about the first half of the break. Let's finish strong. Come on, LeBron. Okay, we start off with a Campazzo rookie to the Nuggets, R.J. Barrett Knicks, Saban Lee Pistons rookie, Brandon Clark Grizzlies, Rui to the Wizards, Nurkic to the Trailblazers, Mitchell Robinson Knicks, Killian Hayes, rookie to the Pistons. Same run that we had in the last box, but now we switch it up to Marvin Bagley, Sacramento Kings. And there's Jalen Smith, courtside rookie card. Premier level, Matisse Thybulle, Sixers. Premier level, Peyton Pritchard, rookie to the Celtics. And Duncan Robinson, Heat. Shimmer. Oh, yeah. Tyrese Maxey, Philadelphia 76ers rookie. Kemba Walker, Celtics. Xavier Tillman, rookie to the Grizz. Premier level shimmer, Luka Doncic. Mavericks now for a numbers, Jamal Murray, Nuggets. Silver, Jaden McDaniels, T-Wolves, and a green and purple premier level Lonzo Ball to the Pelicans. So we got us a silver rookie for the T-Wolves, and it's McDaniels. And then we got us a green and purple ball, but it was Lonzo. That's what you call a big tease right there. Back to back. Wayne says we got a bunch of good cards so far, but none of them have been Pokachetsky. All right. Box number 7. This one and 3 more to go. We have Bojan Bogdanovic. I believe that was the first card of box 1. If I'm correct, the third card was LaMelo. I don't know if that's going to happen here, but let's hope. There's Andre Drummond to the Lakers. And LaMelo Ball to the Hornets. There we go. Number 2 on the night. Cam Johnson, Suns. Josh Green, rookie, Mavericks. Colin Sexton, Cavs. Eric Bledsoe, Pelicans. Aaron Naismith, rookie to the Celtics. John Wall, Rockets. Courtside time. Cleveland Cavaliers, Darius Garland, and Premier Levels. There he is. Oklahoma City Thunder. You got him. Next up, Timberwolves, Ricky Rubio, and then the Celtics. Boy, it seems like the Celtics have had a ton of Aaron Naismith and Peyton Pritchard. Here's another one. Here comes the Shimmers. Patty Mills, Spurs. Andrew Wiggins, Warriors. Patrick Williams to the Bulls. And Goran Dragic to the Heat. We didn't get a premier level shimmer that time. D'Angelo Russell numbers insert. Then a silver Ja Morant. Memphis Grizzlies, green and purple. Davis Bertans to the Wizards. But Bear, who you looking for? Well, here he is. Second one of the night. I did well, I don't know if I called it. I just remembered getting him on the third card of that box, and that Bojan Bogdanovic was the first card in that box. So I get to the point sometimes I can kind of remember runs, and I sure hope so. Now I'm ready to get LaMelo and Edwards in color. All right, box number 8. Nuggets, Zeke Najae, Denver Nuggets rookie. Here's Russell Westbrook to the Wizards. Cassius Winston rookie to the Wizards. Giannis to the Bucks, James Harden Nets. Denny, rookie to the Wizards. Vernon Carey Jr., rookie to the Hornets. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Hawks. Bam Adebayo, Heat. And a Hawks Okwangu rookie card. Premier level, Zubac, Clippers. Anthony Edwards, premier level rookie card to the Timberwolves. There you go. Another premier level rookie. This is Josh Green, Mavericks, and the Shimmers. Brandon Ingram, Pelicans. Tobias Harris, Sixers. Ben Simmons, Sixers. And premier level, Klay Thompson to the Warriors. Oh, boy. Wow, what a box. We just got a premier level Anthony Edwards, but we now have a blue shimmer numbers rookie insert LaMelo Ball. Wow is correct. My. That's what I call sweet. Well, I wish I could have some credit for actually pulling these cards, but maybe I do bring some luck to it. Blue Prism Trae Young Hawks and Blue Premier Level Hornets. Caleb Martin rookie card. 2 boxes to go. We need to see some LeBron James, James Wiseman, Cole Anthony's. Those are some of the names I know that we've missed out on. All right, Marvin Bagley, the Kings. Here's Zeke Najae, Nuggets rookie. Russell Westbrook, Wizards. Cassius Winston, Wizards. Giannis, Milwaukee Bucks. James Harden, Nets. Denny to the Washington Wizards. We had this same run. Vernon Carey Jr. to the Hornets. Bogdan Bogdanovic, Hawks. Bam Adebayo, Heat. Premier level, Orlando Magic. R.J. Hampton, rookie. Here's Kendrick Nunn, premier level to the Heat. Marcus Smart, premier level, Celtics. Shimmers, Zach LaVine, Bulls. Devin Vassell, rookie to Spurs. Bertans to the Wizards. And premier level shimmer. Man, another color card of Jaden McDaniels to the T-Wolves. Devin Booker Select Company. Here comes a silver premier level. Utah Jazz, Elijah Hughes. That's a nice one. And green and purple, Obi Toppin. Wow. A couple of nice rookies there at the back of that pack. As we head off to the last one. Chris Paul's Suns. There's Obi Toppin again to the Knicks. Rookie card, Kyle Lowry Raptors. Campazzo to the Nuggets. R.J. Barrett Knicks. Saben Lee rookie, Detroit. Brandon Clark Grizzlies. Rui Hachimura Washington. Jalen Smith rookie Suns. Wow, courtside, Tyrese Halliburton rookie card. There's a nice one. Giannis Premier Level Bucks, Tyrese Maxey Premier Level Sixers, and Joe Ingles Premier Level to the Jazz. Sadiq Bey, Shimmer Rookie Detroit Pistons, Karl Anthony Towns T-Wolves, Daniel Atoru Rookie to the Clippers, Keldon Johnson San Antonio Spurs. Blue Select Company, Kawhi Leonard to the Clippers, Blue Prism, Karl Anthony Towns T-Wolves, and Blue Prism, oh my goodness, Premier Level, Tyrese Halliburton. What kind of box was that for the Kings? That's how you finish strong. Alright, let me show you some of the top-loaded cards. I'm going to have to be getting off here and doing a football break in just a few minutes. We got some nice cards. Missed out on just a couple of names, but the biggest of names, we nailed them. Blue Prism Tyrese Halliburton Premier Level. LaMelo Ball, numbers blue, wow. Anthony Edwards Premier Level. Concourse LaMelo. Shimmer Maxi Rookie. Shimmer Luka. Silver McDaniels, Anthony Edwards, Tyrese Halliburton. We got a courtside of Halliburton too. Courtside Obi Toppin Shimmer, Giannis Shimmer, Isaiah Stewart Blue Prism Premier Level, Anthony Edwards, Ja Morant Blue Number Shimmer, Lou Williams number to 49, and another LaMelo. That was fun. Thank y'all so much. I'm going to get off here and get ready for that next break. It's a baseball break, actually. Big football break going off on eBay right now. If you like football, it's going to be a dandy. Would love to have you in it. If not, I hope to see you down the road. Good night.